CONOPS, concepts, operating concepts, concepts of operations. These words are more than just acronym soup. The words have specific meanings, and they're not interchangeable. For example, a concept of operations is required for every DoD project, no matter how big or small. And there are plenty of examples of how a bad CONOPS has doomed a project from the start. Since 2003, Solid Thinking Corporation has been teaching U.S. and coalition militaries, as well as the intelligence community, how to build solid CONOPS and meet DoD and DHS requirements. As well, they help ensure the development of these systems and make sure they meet users' needs for function, utility, interoperability, and long-term support. The two-day CONOPS course will show you how a technical CONOPS is different from any other document and how it is mutually supportive of the DoD Architectural Framework, or DODAF, and the Joint Capabilities Integrated Development System, or JCIDS. You will learn the 3 types of CONOPS in use today, the 5 levels of CONOPS, and when to use each one. End users' needs drive requirements, and those drive CONOPS, so you will learn how to find cooperative end users, how to visit them when they are deployed to the field, and how to learn about their requirements. If you cannot write, you cannot build a CONOPS. So this course includes a crash course on technical writing do's and don'ts, and some great ways to maximize the impact of graphics in CONOPS and to hold the reader's attention. You will learn how to build the elegantly simple yet powerful operating concept, or OPCON, before you even begin to build a CONOPS. Modeling and simulation are important tools for determining the effectiveness of new or modified systems, and a strong CONOPS is the most effective tool to drive modeling and sim efforts. To keep from being dominated by the strongest voice in the room, you'll learn how to determine what to model, the levels of fidelity needed, and how to build powerful, convincing operational scenarios. The CONOPS course instructors and consultants are prior U.S. military officers, and, between them, have over 65 years of hands-on experience in the land, sea, and air operations communities. With successful careers behind them in uniform and in industry at General Dynamics, Westinghouse Defense, and Northrop Grumman, these escapees from the heavies hold U.S. patents in hyperspectral sensing and radar processing, and they speak from both the operational and technical worlds. The Defense Departments of Hungary, the United Arab Emirates, and Italy have been trained by Solid Thinking's instructors, as have engineers from the U.S. Joint Forces Command, the Air Force's Air Combat Command, Headquarters U.S. Coast Guard, the Lockheed Martin Skunk Works, Raytheon Missile Systems, Boeing's Phantom Works, the MITRE Corporation, 4 divisions of Northrop Grumman, and many other organizations. Each CONOPS course graduate receives a set of instructor slides, a college-level textbook on managing requirements, and over 200 pages of CONOPS templates, outlines, checklists, and examples of actual CONOPS from across the defense community. You cannot compete in today's federal marketplace unless you can build powerful, convincing, user-driven concepts of operations. Isn't it time you got your team trained? Visit solidthinking.org for course details and class schedules, and as with every Solid Thinking course, they can bring the course to your facility, saving you time and travel funds.